I received this honey dispenser from Honeybee, and look how cute it is. This looks like a honeycomb, and this is great for honey, maple syrup, even chocolate syrup, or even granulated sugar too. How awesome is that? Let me show you close up so you can see how adorable this is. So this is what it looks like. Here is the bottom, just in case any do drip out. And this is the honeycomb dispenser. Now, when you push this trigger, this will pull it up, and then it leaves an opening here for the honey to come down into your food, and then it stops it. So it plugs it into place when you release. So open and then close. Perfect. Now let me show you how it works. So first thing you do is twist this off, and then they also have this plug. So you're gonna put the plug on just like this. Then you're gonna pour up to 8 ounces of your favorite honey, maple syrup, sugar, or chocolate syrup too. And look at that go. Just beautiful. And then there you go. Perfect. Now let me close this up. And then we're going to put this inside it and twist the cap. Beautiful. Then we're going to take this bottom piece off. And now we are ready to have some pancakes. Okay, so here we go. Here's our pancake. Woo! And now let's pour our syrup or honey. And then I just use the trigger and there it goes. Absolutely perfect. Here's a close-up. Beautiful. And then I close it up and it stops the flow. Now, this is perfect for pancakes, waffles, and also for tea too. So let's put some for our tea. Wonderful. And there you go. Perfect, simple as that. And now my favorite part is the bite. This is so delicious. I absolutely love honey on my pancake. And let's wash it down with some tea. Delicious. Thank you, Honeybee, for sending this to me. I absolutely am enjoying it and loving it. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy this for many years to come. And this would make such a cute and thoughtful gift for somebody, whether it's your family member, coworker. This would be great for all throughout the year, for holidays, birthdays, or just because. So thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.